Hello. Today we're going to draw a owl. It's very easy. We'll draw the owl in very easy way. At first we can draw a box like this, a triangle from the upper side, a curved lines, next her eyes. It's time to draw her wings. It's her lower body part. It's about her punch. Okay, the drawing is completed. Now we need to color it. We'll choose the pink at first, the light pink in its body. We'll cover its whole body with light pink. Its lower body part as well. Next, we'll use dark pink to establish its feather. Next, light purple. It's a very nice combination between pink and purple. Maybe it's a lady owl. We'll cover this area with purple also. We'll use light and deep both. It's time to color its eyes and eyebrows. Eyes will be yellow and brows will be brown. Then yes, the owl is done.